गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जीपैट रिवीजन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज का जो एमसीक्यू है हम उसमें बायोफार्मास्यूटिक्स का एमसीक्यू पार्ट 1 पढ़ेंगे। ओके, नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है। इन अ प्रोडक्ट द लेवल स्टेट प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम लाइट, what type of decomposition does the product undergoes? A. Carbonylation, B. Decarboxylation, या C. Hydrolysis, या D. Oxidation. Which one answer? The answer is D. Oxidation. Oxidation होता क्या है? Oxidation is the loss of electron. Okay, reduction is the gain of electron. In term of oxidation, oxygen transfer, oxidation may be defined as the chemical process in which substance gain oxygen or loss electron and hydrogen. When the one of the reactants is oxygen, then oxidation is gain of the oxygen, that is called oxidation. Okay, next second number question. Aspirin undergoes decomposition in a formulation. It can be prevented by A. Adding a chelating agent, B. Adding an oxidant, C. Protecting it from light, or D. Suppressing its solubility. Which one answer? The answer is D. Suppressing its solubility. Okay, next third number question. Which one of the following is primarily not a chemical decomposition? A. Isomerization, B. Hydrolysis, C. Oxidation, or D. Volatilization. Which one answer? Answer is D. Volatilization. Volatilization is the process whereby a dissolved sample is vaporized, that is called volatilization. Okay, next fourth number question. Which one of the following physiochemical properties is more important for passive diffusion of drugs from gastrointestinal tract? A. Dissolution constant, B. Liquid solubility, C. Partition coefficient, at D. pH of the gastrointestinal fluid. Which one answer? The answer is C. Partition coefficient. Partition coefficient होता क्या है? The partition coefficient is defined as the ratio of the concentration of a solute in the organic phase to its concentration in the water phase, that is called partition coefficient. Okay, next 5 number question. Half life is drug may be used full to determine A. Dose schedule of the drug, B. Level of absorption, C. Distribution in the body system, D. Time to get the steady state. Which one answer? The answer is D. Time to get the steady state. Okay, next 6 number question. Phase second reactions of a drug biotransformation. A. Decreases its water solubility, B. Include activity of cytochrome P450, C. Distribution into different body system, or D. Lead to inactivation of drug. Which one answer? The answer is D. Lead to inactivation of drug. Okay, next 7 number question. The rate of desorption is proportional to the A. Uncovered surface, B. Covered surface, C. Internal area, D. All of the above. Which one answer? The answer is B. Covered surface. Okay, next 8 number question. The release of maintenance dose in sustained release dosage form should follow A. 0 order kinetics, B first order kinetics, या C second order kinetics, या D pseudo order kinetics. Which one answer? The answer is A zero order kinetics. Zero order kinetics होता क्या है? Zero order reaction simply means that the rate of reaction is independent of concentration of reactants, that is called zero order reaction. Okay. Next, 9 number question. The half-life of first order photolysis of cefotaxime solution containing 150 mg drug is 50 minutes. If 1 ml aliquot after 90 minutes of exposure to light was found to contain 0.43 mg of cefotaxime, what was the original volume of the solution? A 100 ml, B 120 ml, C 80 ml, or D 140 ml. Which one answer? The answer is A 100 ml. Okay. 10 number question. The normal creatinine clearance value in human is dash ml per minute. A 100 to 110, B 80 to 90, C 150 to 160, or D 120 to 130. Which one answer? The answer is D 120 to 130 ml per minute. Okay. Next, 11 number question. If the pK of phenobarbital is 7.4, what fraction of drug would be ionized at pH 8.4? A 0.01, B 0.5, C 0.9, or D 1. Which one answer? The answer is C 0.9. Okay. Next, 12 number question. The applicability of Noyes-Whitney equation is to describe the A first order kinetics, B zero order kinetics, C mixed order kinetics, or D dissolution rate. Which one answer? The answer is D dissolution rate. होता क्या है dissolution rate? The dissolution rate is a measure of a actual release rate of the compound at the given particle size etc, that is called dissolution rate. Okay. Next, 13 number question. Drug X has a constant bioavailability and first order elimination. Its maintenance dose rate will be directly proportional to A plasma protein binding, B volume of distribution, C lipid solubility, or D total body clearance. Which one answer? The answer is D total body clearance. अब टोटल बॉडी क्लियरेंस होता क्या है? द टोटल बॉडी क्लियरेंस और टोटल प्लाज्मा ब्लड क्लियरेंस CL. Okay, CL, that means clearance total plasma blood, is commonly defined as the volume plasma blood completely cleared of the drug per unit time 1 and 2. That is called total body clearance. ये हम लोग को बायोफार्मास्यूटिक्स में पढ़ना है 6M में. ओके. नेक्स्ट, 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन. विच कैटेगरी ऑफ ड्रग इज एवोल्यूटेड फॉर डिसोल्यूशन? ए कौन सा कैटेगरी है? ए हाईली डिफ्यूजन, बी डिफ्यूजन, या सी पुअरली वाटर सोल्यूबल, या डी वाटर सोल्यूबल. विच वन आंसर? द आंसर इज सी पुअरली वाटर सोल्यूबल. ओके. नेक्स्ट, 15 number question. The biological half-life of procan in a patient was 35 minutes and its VD was estimated to be 60 liter. The total clearance rate of procan is A 1.88 liter per minute, B 0.115 liter per minute, C 11.5 liter per minute, a T 5.57 liter per minute. Which one answer? The answer is A, 1.88 liter per minute. Okay. Next, 16 number question. A tablet of aclofenic is given to patient. The dose of aclofenic was 200 mg. After 2 hours, the concentration was found to be 10 microgram per ml. What is the volume of distribution of aclofenic? क्या है वॉल्यूम? A 2 लीटर, B 20 लीटर, या C 200 लीटर, या T 2000 लीटर? Which liter? The answer is B 20 liter. Okay. Next, 17 number question. Active tubular secretion is determined by A, creatinine, B, mannitol, C, lodoparacet, T, sodium thiosulfate. Which one answer? The answer is C, lodoparacet. Okay. Next, 18 number question. Drug X has a molecular weight of 750 daltons. From which of the following route will it get excreted? A, biliary excretion, B, urinary excretion, C, both यानी कि biliary excretion, या B, urinary excretion, या D, cannot say. Which one answer? The answer is A, biliary excretion. ये होता क्या है? Biliary excretions, active secretions of a drug molecules or their metabolites form hepatocytes into the bile. The bile then transport the drug to the gut where the drug are excreted. That is called biliary excretions. Okay. Next, 19 number question. Flip-flop phenomenon occurs when A, Ka per Ke 3, B, Ke per Ka 3, C, Ka equal to Ke, T, none. Which one answer? The answer is B, Ke per Ka equal to 3. Okay. Next, 20 number question. Which of the following statement is correct? कौन सा इसमें है सही? A, aloxacin is a long-acting competitive inhibitor. B, probenecid decreases T half aloxacin, and allopurinol increases T half of probenecid. C, NSAID increases the action of uricosuric drug, या T, none of the above. Which one answer? The answer is B, probenecid decreases T half aloxacin, and allopurinol increases T half of probenecid. Okay, this is the last. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe my channel please. इसे कंटिन्यू देखें सभी पार्ट, तभी आपको समझ अच्छे से आएगा और सबको डिटेल में समझाया, जहाँ पे हमको लगा है कि समझाना है वहाँ पे समझाएं, वहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब किए हैं. तो प्लीज़ इसे कंटिन्यू देखें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. चलिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए बाय.